Well, I guess I didn't really expect to be making this video so soon. For those of you who follow the channel, I just quit my job back in December, which is not that long ago, to do this full time. And I had this momentum. I had, hopes and dreams, and I thought the channel was going somewhere. And I guess, I don't know. It's a lot of work, and sometimes you don't think about how it affects other aspects of your life. And so, yeah, I had to, make a decision. Um, Not an easy one, I'll say, but sometimes that's just how life goes. And appreciate you guys and the journey we've had up until this point. I wish that it didn't get to this point, like I said, so quickly, but um, yeah, there's really only one thing left to say.